Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the tutorial for the third course of Enterprise Analysis and Design with the Industrial Organization Design Laboratory. In this video, we will discuss the Microsoft Project software. Here is a case study of MS Project. To coordinate the entire project that will be carried out, project management is needed. Project management is a process for coordinating, planning, and controlling projects to run in accordance with their targets and functions. The implementation of project management is intended to achieve optimal results. The following is a list of activities for the Alpha Meubler SME construction project. First, to create project activities for the SME construction of Alpha Meubler, you can open the MS Project application first. After you open MS Project, then we immediately click Blank Project. The first step we have to do is to set when this project will start. The trick is to click Project, then Project Information, and set the start date. We assume February 19, 2022 as the start date. Then click OK. Next, you can create a work breakdown structure by right-clicking on the line between task mode and task name. Then, select Insert Column, select Type Column WBS so that the WBS will appear as shown below. Then, we will enter the project activities. Next, enter the activities to be performed on our project. For example, namely, overall construction is the main activity, where in this overall construction, there are sub-activities and sub-activities, namely, site selection, survey area, land measurement, processing of site line documents, land acquisition, site clearance. Next, we will make site selection into a sub-activity. To do this, click Site Selection and then click Indent Task. This Indent Task will make the activity of making site selection a sub-activity of the overall construction. We will make the activities from the survey area to site clearance into sub-activities. By blocking the activity from survey area to site clearance, then clicking Indent Task twice. Then, we fill in the second sub-activity, namely construction design, with sub-activities namely architect survey, civil engineering survey, designing the construction, designing the building. At this stage, we will make the construction design the second sub-activity. The trick is to click Out Then. This Out Then will make construction design the second sub-activities. Do the same for another sub-activity. Next, we set the task mode to auto schedule so that Microsoft Project will manage how the activities take place so that the schedule becomes automatic. The next step is to enter the duration for each activity. After we enter the duration, we set the working hours of the project. The trick is to click the Project tab, click Change Working Time. Next, we click Work Weeks, Details, click Monday, then select days to the specific working time. So it will immediately start at 8 o'clock and finish at 5 o'clock. Please note that these working hours can be adjusted to the working hours that you specify. Do the same steps for the following days until the desired working days. After that, click OK. If you want to enter a holiday in the schedule, click the exception, then enter description in the name column. Then, select the date as a holiday. In this case, February 28, 2022 means no activities because it's Isra Mi'raj Prophet Muhammad for holidays. Just adjust it according to your project. Then click OK. Next, we go to the predecessor stage, which is used to link each of existing activities. There are 4 existing relationships. First, start to start, meaning the job B is carried out simultaneously with job A. Second, start to finish, meaning the job A may end when the job B has started. Third, finish to start means that the job B starts after job A is finished with a certain lag time or lead time. And the last is finish to finish, indicates that job A and job B are complete simultaneously. For the method, the first is that we fill the activity that match our case study, which we will connect the survey area with the land measurement. Fill in with 3 start to start or 3SS. While processing of sideline documents is for or finish to start. Do as the previous step according to our case study. Milestone is a part of work item, that is, made as if it's a temporary finish or temporary completion of a series of work that is a part of a large schedule. Milestones are also important events that usually have no durations. Milestones are useful for making schedule goals and monitoring progress. One of the uses of milestone is a monitoring and control. For example, before the overall construction stage, there is a start date. That we make a milestone because it is an important part as a sign that this project is starting. As a sign that is the project is starting. How to include a milestone task in Microsoft Project is: first, click on the overall construction column, then on the task tab, click milestone, then double-click on the milestone column and rename the milestone task in the table. Then click OK. Next, we look at the Gantt chart on the right side. If we want to export our project to be included in our report, we block the first activity from overall construction to inauguration event. Then, click copy, copy picture, then select this for screen and selected rows. And from, and click OK. Then, we can directly copy-paste into Microsoft Project. If you want to save the project as a PDF, click Save As and change the file type to PDF. Then save. Thus, this video tutorial was made. Hopefully, the material presented will help all of you in understanding the practicum, enterprise analysis and design in general, and understanding modules in particular. Have a nice day. Innovation is not hard to imagine.